우리 도착하자마자 중식당 가서 밥을 먹고
Right after we landed, we went to go eat Chinese food.
그리고 골든 게이트 브리지 가는 길에 이렇게 완전 내리막길 하나 있는데 그것도 너무 예뻐서 거기 세워서 사진 몇 장 찍고
So on the way to Golden Gate Bridge, there's like a really steep downhill there, and it was really pretty. So we stopped to take a photo.
그리고 골든 게이트 브리지 도착하자마자 그 깁샵에서 쇼핑 좀 했고
When we got to Golden Gate Bridge, we got to gift shop and shopped a lot.
근데 골든 게이트 브리지가 안개 때문에 다 가려져서 그 위에 있는 전망대 가서 볼 수 있다고 해서 거기까지 올라갔고
But then like the Golden Gate Bridge was kind of hidden under the fog, so we went all the way up to see it.
거기가 레전드였어요.
And that was a legend.
너무 예쁘고 그래서 사진 엄청 많이 찍고 위버스 라이브까지 했고
It was really pretty, so we took a lot of photos. We also did Weavers Live.
그리고 체이스 센터까지 갔어요.
We also went to Chase Center.
진짜 바빴네요.
그리고 그게 끝이 아니에요. 그러고 쇼핑몰 갔어요.
And then we went to a shopping mall.
We went to Macy's yesterday.
진짜 가서 농구 신발 사고 농구할 때 입을 바지 사고 농구할 때 입을 티셔츠 샀어요.
You know, I went there and I bought basketball shoes, basketball shirt, and pants.
Like Target is one of those places that really brings me back to my childhood. It's so nostalgic. I love Target.
진짜 좋아. 다 있는 느낌이야.
I really like Target. It has everything.
초심이 잃지 않아.
It never loses that.
아무튼 that was a good briefing 좋았어요.
That was a good briefing. Good summary.
Alright, we got one last song for you guys. I don't know if you know this. I mean, I feel like they would. You guys know SOS? Alright, SOS, let's go.